Hi Yuri, it's Oceana. We spoke on the phone the other day. Here's that video I promised to send you about how to get more jobs using your website. I'll be following up this week to see if this was clear and if it was helpful and to answer any questions that you may have. So let's jump right in. So the first thing that I noticed on your website is this huge, beautiful image right here. You guys, I mean, this must be one of your jobs. It's just absolutely lovely. And the image, the way that the light is coming through, is just a really nice picture. So I can see why you chose this, and I want to commend you on that. It really is lovely. I do want to say that I would add a click to call phone number up here, something where someone on a mobile phone could just click it and call you right up. The reason for that is that almost 70% of searches happens on a mobile phone, and putting that click to call phone number right there at the top makes it really easy for a visitor to go from curious to customer. So you definitely want to add that. Let's see. The second thing is content. So if I click Control A, you can see all this blue here. That's content. The words on the page as well as the images, what they're saved as, counts as content. And Google uses those words and what the images are saved as to decide how relevant your site is to whoever is searching. Google really starts seeing a web page as an authority when the site has at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. So we really want to increase the amount of words that you have here and include certain phrases that a lot of people are searching for on Google that have low competition so that it will be easy to show up at the top of the Google search results. So I'm going to go over to one of my favorite tools. This is called Ahrefs. There are many keyword research tools out there. This is my favorite one, though it is a bit spendy. Using this, I can type in a word up here that I want to focus on, and it spits out a bunch of key phrases that include those words. I pay the most attention to this column here, volume, and this column here, keyword difficulty is what KD stands for. And what volume tells me is, on average, how many people are searching for this keyword every single month. And then the keyword difficulty is from a scale of 0 to 100, how difficult would it be to show up on that first page of Google results? Let's see. I've lost my place. Okay, let's see. I'll get my calculator here. So, well, I can do this math without the calculator. 100 people searching yard maintenance, Portland, Oregon. This shows high buyer intent. Nobody's really going to be looking that up unless they're looking for someone to help them with their yard maintenance. So looking for you guys, right? So 100 people on average are typing that into Google every single month. And the keyword difficulty is only a 4, so I could see ranking for that in a very short amount of time. And if you're in the top position, that #1 spot, you could expect to get 31% of those visitors to your website, which is 31 people basically, and 1 in 10 of those statistically will turn into paying customers, which means that out of 100 volume like this, every month you could imagine, you can count on getting about 3 jobs out of that every single month. And I don't know if 3 more jobs, I don't know how much that would make you, but it's probably better than 0. And then you look at this one too, landscape maintenance Oregon, Portland. That one's got 70 a month, so it's a little lower. So you might get only 2 or 3 jobs. 50, you might get 1 or 2 new jobs every month. But you add that up together and you got 5, 6, 7 jobs every month, and that turns into a couple a week, and that's looking pretty good now. So you can see how this kind of adds up very quickly. And this is just looking up Portland maintenance. That's not even including pavers or any of the other services that you do. So that's just a bit about how we get those keywords. So the question is, how do we rank for those keywords? Well, that brings me to backlinks. But first, I want to give you a quick tour of a page I'm sure you've seen a million times. This is the Google search results page, and I'm sure you've seen it many times, but never through my eyes. So this up here, this is all ads. Angie's List advertises here, local places advertise, but the thing is that most people skip right past this area, and if they don't, then whoever they click on actually pays money right then and there, no matter what happens after that click. And so we like to go down here, and this part is the map pack. That's what it's called. And this is one of the most coveted spots right here, the top spot in the map pack. But the real coveted spot is actually way down here. After the ads, after the map pack, you see this spot right here. That is the #1 spot, the one that you want to sit in. 31% of the people visiting this page will click on this link right here. So this is a coveted spot. And now we're going to talk about how to get that spot. So now I'm going to talk about backlinks. What a backlink is it's any link on the entire internet that points back to your website. It acts as a vote of confidence, telling Google that your business is both legitimate and relevant to its searchers. Not all backlinks are created equal, however, and links from sites that are trusted by Google, as well as sites that are related to your industry, are going to do you more good than irrelevant or spammy sites. There are two parts to a link. One is the link that it points to, right, the address, and then the other part of the link is called anchor text. So a lot of times you'll see something that says, click here for more information, right? And so the click here would be the anchor text, what you actually see, but when you click on that, it takes you to a site, and that would be the address. So the anchor text, instead of saying something like click here, you want the anchor text that leads to your site to say yard maintenance, Portland, Oregon, or landscape maintenance, Portland. Whatever it is that you're trying to go after to rank on, you want the anchor text to say that. Okay, and now the last thing that I'd like to go over with you is citations. A citation is similar to a backlink in that it is a reference to your business from anywhere on the internet, and it acts as a vote of confidence. But instead of a link that brings you up closer to the top of the organic search results to get this coveted spot, a citation is anywhere on the internet where your Google My Business name, address, and phone number are listed, and it will help you get to the top of this spot here in the map pack. It will help you also with this here, but more importantly, it really helps with this, and that's really good for people looking for a local business. So I think that I found your Google My Business. You're definitely going to want to go in here and update your information, because this is looking like, it looks like you've never maybe messed with it before, but it's definitely you, because I can see your name there, and it looks like you guys make customers happy, so I like to see that. That's great. But you're definitely going to want to come in here, claim this, add your website, add your business hours. Even your phone number is not listed here, so you're going to want to do that. And then that way you can go out to places like websites, not places, websites like City Star, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages. Even Facebook actually has a place where you can enter your information as a citation, and that'll count toward your citations and help push you to the top of the Google results. So that is pretty much it for me. You are welcome to email me at oceana@g3.agency. You can also call me here at 657-332-1960. I'll be following up with you sometime this week to see how you like this video and if it was helpful and clear to you. I hope that it was, and I hope that you have a wonderful week. Okay, bye, Yuri.